I had spoke with him Friday evening, and he told me that he was going to bed. Finally, at 10:20, I was able to get him on the phone and tell him, there's a tornado headed straight for us. You have to come. You have to come to my house. And it was just within moments of hanging up with him that it hit our town, and his area took a direct hit. After the storm had passed and all the shaking and everything had stopped, and I couldn't get through in my car, there were power lines and trees everywhere. And even when I made it, I couldn't tell where he was supposed to be because everything was gone. His RV was gone. And we finally just had to give up and wait for daylight. And my dad was missing for almost 24 hours before they recovered his body. I am just devastated. My dad was my best friend. He had beat cancer. My mother, his wife, had survived a horrific stroke. And so he always kept that Bible on the table. I would just really like to recover it and hope that it can bring me the same kind of strength that it brought him.